Hi there, folks. My name is Anthea, and I'm the owner of My Midlands app, App City, and I'm also a proud member of Go South Africa. My team and I recently stumbled across gold, and this is something that we really want to share with the whole of South Africa and the whole of Africa and the whole of the world, actually. So stay tuned for this awesomeness. I promise you, it's worth it. So what we did is we got together a lovely prize worth just under 40,000 Rand by leveraging off the wonderful relationships that I have with existing establishments and activities around the Midlands. So our stay included 8-day stay at a variety of different places, as well as some cool activities like car club canopy tours, a stargazing hammock experience, and a hot air balloon ride. Very cool, right? So how this competition worked is that we got people to submit their information, and what made it very important in terms of how valuable the information is that we've got people into different segments. So you can see here that we ask what activities people are interested in, what kind of accommodation they prefer, whereabouts in South Africa or outside of South Africa they live, what kind of facilities are important to them. For example, to me, pet-friendly options is very important. We also ask what they are willing to pay per night. This gives us an ability to segment into different LSM groups. And last but not least, we've got POPI compliance, also giving us permission to share the information and stating that they will be receiving communication from the competition's prize sponsors and competition partners. This then gives us the ability to, once the competition is run to its end, remove all of the unsubscribes and provide each of our awesome sponsors a copy of the database that we've accumulated, and it's still compliant because they have ticked this box. Now, not only do we as an organization, as My Midlands app, as Go South Africa, and as App City, understand a little bit more in depth about our people that are interested in our competition, we can also then do very filtered down things. So for example, we've got a great relationship with car club canopy tours. So if I wanted to just filter on our database people that are interested in ziplining that are from KwaZulu-Natal, then I can send them a thing saying, did you know that you can use My Midlands as a coupon code during checkout, and that will give you 10% off. It's pretty rad, hey? So once we started sending this competition, what is the thing that's made it gone viral? And let me show you just how viral it's gone. So you can see here that we've been running the competition. Oh, sorry, this is the SPA competition. Let's go to the Midlands competition quickly. Midlands competition. So here's our Midlands competition stats. So you can see that the number of days that we've been running since launch is 66 days. We have had a total of 38,000 entries. So that's 38,000 people and their interests. We seeded this with my existing database of only 3,300. And the most interesting stat here, in terms of my analytical brain, is the fact that the average number of shares per seeded entry is 10. That means that for every one person that enters the competition, they get an average of 10 extra people to enter the competition. And this is exactly what's made it go viral. So how did we actually get other people to enter? Funny you should ask. So WhatsApp is the most used app in the world. And what we've done is we've trained a bot. So you can see here that this bot has actually taken care of 100,067 messages on my behalf that I have not had to send. That's amazing, right? In 66 days, 100,000 messages have been sent from my WhatsApp, sounding like me, to the people that have entered the competition. So let me just show you one example. So this lady's been doing quite well. She entered the competition. She got her unique link that ends in her phone number. She then shared her link. And as soon as she started sharing, you see that she got bonus entries. Bonus entries are gold. They are digital assets that cost us nothing. So we have a competition worth something. That's wonderful. And then we've got a bit of bot and technology that we have to pay for. That's wonderful. But giving people bonus entries into a competition actually is just it's a digital asset. So instead of this lady having one entry, she then got 5 extra entries for every person that she got to enter on her unique link that I'm able to track because it's got her number on it. So this lady's been doing very well. We also have a prize for the person with the most shares, that once people are to get to 51 entries, it triggers this message. So these messages are triggered, and there's little kudos, high five, bravo, cheers, good job, hooray, fantastic. It sounds like I am actually speaking to the participants of this competition. Well, I am speaking to them, but I'm speaking to them through a pre-programmed bot that has taken care of business, as you can see. So this lady's done exceptionally well. She's been sharing and she's been getting people even up to today. So today she's sitting on 421 entries into our competition instead of just one. So this lady has helped us to grow our database in a way that makes sense for her, because it's meaningful for her to get extra bonus entries. That's pretty rad, hey? So what have we done? We've trained a bot. We've associated a bot with a entry form. So this is our entry form. As soon as somebody submits this entry form, they receive an email, and that goes into an email funnel automated series. They also receive a WhatsApp saying that they've entered, and a WhatsApp that they can then share that's got their link to get them bonus entries. I hope this is all making sense to you so far. If it's not, give me a shout. I'm more than happy to explain it. What we have done to streamline our ability to now package this for other entities, because if it's worked for us, it can work for anyone, is that we've created this a create your own competition campaign. So what we're going to do is we're going to help you set up the beautiful landing page. We can also even help you to accumulate prize sponsors. Then we can set up a stats page so that you can track and trace, and you have a leaderboard showing you the people that are doing the best. Then we will set up a bot that will speak with our script that we have created. Don't read it too quickly. This is our intellectual property. And then we will help you to train your bot to get back to people based on the things that they say to you. So we've got a whole lot of different commands for this bot, and this bot is then taking care of business for me. Well, for us, for the Midlands, for everybody. So give me a shout if you need any further explanations. And if not, and you're ready to do your competition creation, click on the link, send us some info, and then we can chat about prices and what your affordability, your budget, and your preferences are in terms of how we can help grow your database tenfold in 60 days. Can you believe it? So exciting. All right. Looking forward to hearing from you folks soon. Cheers for now.